A Lobster's more aerodynamic than a Jeep Wrangler.
So I just finished installing the Banks muffler system on my 2001 Jeep Wrangler. Took about a half an hour to install, including taking off what was remaining on there of the old exhaust. I got the black tip. So it does come in 3 parts. So you get the muffler, and then 2 sections of a tailpipe. It seems to be tightened up a little bit. Pretty straightforward as far as how it went on. And it does have a really nice sound to it. So if you're thinking about getting the Banks exhaust, I'd say go for it. I'm pretty happy with it. And anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.
Keep watching for the next video. Come back soon. Bye.